Today we'll be making some kombucha. I'm doing an easy way of heating up 2 cups of water to just under boiling low. I have a kit. This is probably your best bet if you're a first timer like me. So after your water has been warmed up, do your tea like this. Just put it in and steep it for good 5-10 minutes. Now after your tea has been steaming for about 10 minutes, add in your tea and your sweetener. You know what would be awesome? Having that in slow motion. And now you wait until it's pretty much hit about 28 degrees Celsius. Or about 82 degrees Fahrenheit. I added a lot more water, as you can see. Probably a good 6 more cups of water. After you let it cool below 28 degrees, you put your Scoby in. And you need to just make sure everything is okay. If you buy a kit like this, you need to put your cover on like this. Like so with your elastic band. And you just let it sit for at least 3 days until you have to try it. One of the ways you can actually cool down this when you're in a hurry is a way called cold crashing. Is that you pretty much plug in your sink and fill up with really cold water, and you pretty much let the jar sit for a few minutes until it cools off below 28 degrees.